This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Elisa Stephens. Nearly brand new. Gorgeous coral model in Lagoon community of South Shore Bay. Great curb appeal. Wonderful, light, bright, open, airy floor plan with tons of space and storage. Neutral color palette for you to create your own dream home. Huge backyard. This house is in impeccable condition and just waiting for you to call it home. Refrigerator is not included in sale. All dimensions approximate. All information contained herein deemed reliable but subject to verification by buyer/buyer agent. For more information, review the details below or contact Elisa Stephens at 561-929-2269 cell.